Hello and welcome to the Finwise overview tutorial. Let's begin. On the login screen, type in your username, which is the email account you have registered with DC Partner, and password, which can be set up using the Forgot Your Password link. Once set up, you can select the Accept Terms and Conditions tick box and log in. On the landing page, you will be presented with the applicant dashboard, designed to give an overview of clientele payment, distributions, and possible problems on the processing of fund payments. You also get industry-leading updates and PDA, as well as Finwise updates at the bottom section called Finwise Communication. At the left side, you have the navigation panel used to move to different sections within Finwise. At the top, you have the distribution account ribbon, which will collapse when clicked and show the current balance of your distribution account held by DC Partner, from which payments by clients are received and distributions are done to fees, legal accounts, and creditors. On the navigation panel, you have Quoting, which can be used to navigate to our partnered software solution called iDocs, as well information regarding the software solution. The next option, called Dashboard, allows you to select the applicant dashboard or the Task Manager dashboard. The Task Manager dashboard is used to keep track of the debt review application process and ensures that you never fall behind on the processes of the debt review timeframes, ensuring comprehensive and accurate control of client files. The next navigation option, called Applicants, allows you to view, edit, and control client files and is the heart of your system. Here we can open applicants, edit their informations, payment processes, distributions, creditor information, proposals, and communicate with creditors and clients, all within their own profiles. Let's have a quick look at what is available. Opening a client presents us with tabs, which we can use to navigate between the different aspects of a client's file, where General pertains to client's personal information, application type, and is used to update the respective information. Payment Setup tab is used to set up how the client is getting paid, how they will pay for their debt review, which payment methods will be used, and when the distributions will be done. The Budget tab allows you to enter the client affordability and has the income, deductions, and expenses subsections. It also allows you to view the fees payment, not only upfront, but also additional fees that forms part of the client's debt review payment plan. You can edit, add, remove fees from the Fees tab and allows you to ensure fees are paid correctly and timelessly.